Black magic is a fun party trick where you try to convince your audience that you're telepathically communicating with a partner. Start by telling your audience that you and your partner are telepathic and that you can prove it. Have your partner leave the room and ask a member of the audience to choose any object they can see. Then, have your partner come back into the room with you. Look your partner in the eyes and point at random objects in the room while saying them out loud, like, "Am I thinking of the light bulb?" Or "Am I thinking of the desk?" Your partner should say no until you get the correct object, at which point they should say yes. In order for your partner to be able to correctly guess the object, you'll need to come up with some kind of secret sign or pattern to tip them off. For example, you could tap your foot or blink your eye whenever you say the right answer, so your partner knows which answer is correct. Or you could agree that the fourth object you point to is always the right answer. The most common sign to use is to mention an object in the room that is black in color immediately before the correct object. This is where the name black magic comes from.